everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 2nd of April 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirants. Okay, so now question number 1. Dearness Allowance, also known as DA, has been increased for central government employee with effect from 1st of January 2022 by how much percentage? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 3%. So recently central government has approved the hiking of DA for central government employees by 3%. This will make the dearness allowance 34%. So basically it will benefit approximately 4.8 million employees and 6.9 million pensioners. So the same has been done as per the recommendation of the 7th Central Pay Commission. Okay, so now question number 2. Which member country organized BIMSTEC 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Sri Lanka. So recently PM Narendra Modi attended the 5th BIMSTEC summit hosted virtually by Sri Lanka. So the main outcome of this year's summit was the adoption and signing of BIMSTEC Charter. IT formalized the BIMSTEC grouping into an organization with flags, enamels and listed principle to adhere to. Okay, so now question number 3. Where is the National Film Development Corporation headquarters located? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is in Mumbai. So recently Ministry of Information and Broadcasting by 3 orders transferred the production of documentaries and short films, organization of film festival and preservation of films to the National Film Development Corporation. So basically the National Film Development Corporation is a PSU under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. So the production of documentaries and short films has been transferred from Film Division to the National Film Development Corporation. So that the organization of film festival has been transferred from Directorate of Film Festival. Okay, so now question number 4. The scope of the 3O Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme has been recently been extended until. So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 31st March 2023. So recently the scope of Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme has been in exchange till 31st March 2023. So the new borrowers under the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme 3.0 who borrow after 31st March 2021 but up to 31st January 2022 will now be eligible to avail of emergency credit facilities. So the increase in additional credit support from existing 40% of fund-based credit outstanding to 50% of fund-based credit outstanding under the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme 3.0. Okay, so now question number 5. Which financial startup recently collaborated with Pine Labs to offer the tap to pay features? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Google Pay. So recently Google Pay launched the tap to pay feature for UPI transaction in collaboration with Pine Labs. Okay, so now question number 6. Which consumer products company plant has been designated by the World Economic Forum as an advanced 4th Industrial Revolution Lighthouse? So the correct answer of this question is option C, that is Hindustan Unilever. So recently Hindustan Unilever plant in Dadar Nagar Haveli has been become the first consumer good factory to be recognized as the advanced 4th Industrial Revolution Lighthouse by the World Economic Forum. Okay, so now question number 7. What is the projected GDP growth rate for India in the financial year 2022 to 2023 according to the latest ICRA report? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 7.2%. So recently the Indian Rating Research has revised downwards the GDP growth forecast for India in financial year 23 to 7.2%. So previously in January, the rating agency Indian Rating has forecast this rate at 7.6%. Okay, so now question number 8. The Reserve Bank of India has published a framework for geotagging payment system touchpoint and infrastructure. Which of the following RBI subsidiary is not wholly owned subsidiary? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is National Housing Bank. So recently the Reserve Bank of India has released the framework of geotagging of payment system touchpoints. So the framework is the part of the central bank focus of the deepening digital payment in providing inclusive access to the all citizens of the country. So the geotagging of payment system touchpoint will enable proper monitoring of the availability of payment acceptance infrastructure like point of scale terminals and also quick response code, etc. Okay, so now question number 9. Which of the following company has announced a new partnership with Indian Oil Corporation Ltd, under which its convoys would be able to refill at the state-run energy joint fuel station? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Indian Air Force. So recently, the Indian Air Force has unveiled a new initiative with the Indian Oil Corporation Ltd. So basically under it, the Indian Air Force convoys will be refueled at the fuel station of the state-run energy majors. So as per the Defence Ministry, feed car fuel on move has been rolled out to facilitate the refueling of belonging to the Indian Air Force. So under the existing system, the Indian Air Force procures fuel from various agencies and then distribute within the Air Force establishments. Okay, so now last question. According to the Hurun report of 2022, who is the world's richest self-made billionaire, age 40 and under? So, the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Mark Zuckerberg. So, recently the Hurun Research Institute has released the Hurun Global 40 and under Self-Made Billionaire 2022, which ranks the self-made billionaires in the world, age 40 years and under. So the Hurun report 2022 listed 87 self-made billionaires in the world, age 40 and under, which is up by 8 from the last year. Okay.